Hello YouTubers, today we're going to do another unboxing video. Hopefully this time I got all the lighting issues fixed. Got a new setup for some lights with light diffusers and another better camera mount for overhead views. Well, anyway, this is what we've got. And once again, my EAB. Okay, let's take a look at what we got. First up, a number 2 and a number 3 open L with carbon steel blades. A couple of more 511s. More 546. Not sure exactly what the difference is in the two is, but a bunch of hobo knives. Usually sell quite a few of these every show. Kissing crane. Nice little Italian stiletto. You don't remember which this one is, but let's see. A Spanish style folder for the $5 box. An assisted opener. And another assisted opener. These are some interesting knives. They're made in China, but they're pretty well made. Called rake. I sold 2 of them this last show, so of course I had to replace them. And a different model of rake. Some cheap multi-tools for the $5 box. carbon steel Mora Garberg. And finally, the orange Mora Eldris kit. And some more stuff for the $5 box. And well, that's it for this week.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon, or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.